You wake up and your phone already has a perfectly timed route to avoid all the morning traffic. Later, a streaming app suggests some movie that matches your exact mood. We all accept this extreme convenience effortlessly. We rarely pause to consider the intricate machinery working in the background to make it happen. But that convenience requires a constant transaction. In exchange for smooth navigation and curated entertainment, we are handing over vast amounts of intimate, personal data. To see exactly how that exchange works, we need to track a single digital action as it moves through a 5-step machine learning cycle. Breaking down this invisible process is the only way to retain autonomy over our digital footprints and give true, informed consent. A machine learning system does not start out smart. It begins entirely blind. This interface shows the first step, data collection. Every time you visit a web page, ask a voice assistant, or click a video, the system records those actions. Look at how these interactions are categorized into data points on the left. The smallest clicks are cataloged permanently. At this stage, the algorithm isn't actually thinking. It is simply building a meticulous structural memory of your habits. With that massive mountain of raw data stored away, the system has to make sense of it. Here we see a flowchart representing step 2. The algorithm begins actively searching for mathematical correlations between those isolated actions. By isolating specific clusters of behavior, it notices routines, like searching for cooking videos after 6 p.m., or skipping long articles to read short summaries. Recognizing these repeated behaviors is how a machine learns to anticipate what a human will do next. Now the machine crosses a critical threshold. It stops looking backward at what you did and starts predicting what you want right now.
This diagram illustrates the generate-output phase. The system takes those established behavioral patterns and converts them into actionable information on your screen. That output might be a single song recommendation on a Friday night or a highly detailed summary of your afternoon meeting notes. The result feels incredibly personalized, almost intuitive, but it is simply the cold, mathematical conclusion drawn from your own historical data. Every recommendation the system provides functions as a live test. This illustration of a user at a dashboard represents the feedback stage. How you react to the machine's output, whether you click the suggested link, skip the video, or type a new prompt, acts as a direct grading mechanism. You don't have to fill out a 5-star review. Your natural behavior provides an inescapable feedback loop for the algorithm. Every single time you interact with a digital platform, you are inadvertently acting as an unpaid quality control tester for its underlying code. Once graded, the system undergoes its most critical transformation. It actually learns. In this schematic, we see the final step, updating the model. The AI absorbs your behavioral feedback and physically alters how it interprets patterns tomorrow. It assigns new weights to actions, integrating these refined rules so its next prediction is statistically sharper. This relentless, invisible cycle of self-correction is what separates static, traditional software from true artificial intelligence. Our digital devices are not passive tools sitting in our pockets. They are hungry, active ecosystems running this 5-step cycle thousands of times a day. This document highlights the resulting friction. A machine that relies heavily on observing behavior directly challenges our traditional understanding of safeguarding privacy and obtaining informed consent. With every click and swipe, we are training the algorithm with the intimate details of our daily lives. Navigating this requires a strict awareness of what we are trading. Technical literacy is your primary defense mechanism against overreach. By stripping away the illusion of magic and exposing the mechanics underneath, you can finally dictate how and when these systems operate in your life.